Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Saboo Nagarare and I'm an official ambassador of Afghan children refugees, as well as a freelancer, writer, blogger, social activist and a media anchor plus motivational speaker. My aim in life is to help and reduce child labor everywhere I can and to make education and internet accessible to those who can't access it. The purpose of making this video is to invite all of you to my YouTube channel where you can follow my journey and where you can watch my experiences and where you can watch some burning and educational topics. So I would like all of you to subscribe my channel and like plus share this video.